A weapon cheaper than a used car launched by the hundreds, forcing your enemy to spend millions just to stop it. That's not fiction, that's the US-Iran war right now. And today we are breaking down exactly which weapons are shaping it and why the most dangerous one might surprise you. Since February 28th, Iran has fired more than 500 ballistic missiles and over 1,000 drones across the Middle East, targeting US bases, oil facilities and cities. America and Israel have hit back with stealth bombers, cruise missiles, and some of the most expensive defense systems on the planet. The result? A war that's as much about money and endurance as it is about firepower. Iran's weapon of choice, the Shahed 136, 3 meters long, quiet engine, delta wing shaped, costs between $20,000 and $50,000. Range up to 2,000 kilometers. It flies low and slow, which counterintuitively makes it harder to detect on radar than a fast ballistic missile. It just creeps towards the target undetected. Iran pairs it with the smaller Shahed 131 used as a decoy to flood radar screens and confuse defenders. So the bigger, deadlier weapons slip through. Even when most are intercepted, some always get through. That's the point. Layer on Iran's ballistic missiles like the Shahab-3 with a 2,000 kilometer range fired simultaneously with drone swarms, and you have a nightmare for any defense system. Because here's the trap, the US Patriot system intercepts over 90% of incoming threats, but each interceptor costs around $4 million. $4 million to destroy a drone that costs $20,000. The THAAD system, designed for high-altitude ballistic missile defense, costs $12 million per interceptor. The US reportedly burned through a major chunk of its THAAD supply in just days during a previous confrontation. Iran does not need to win the technology battle. It just needs to keep launching until the other side runs dry. But America has weapons Iran simply cannot match. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, virtually invisible to radar, is the only aircraft in the world that can carry GBU-57, a 30,000-pound bunker-busting bomb built to destroy underground nuclear sites. In Operation Midnight Hammer, 7 B-2s dropped 14 of these bombs on Iran's nuclear facilities at Fordo, Natanz and Isfahan, the first time this weapon was ever used in combat. At the Tomahawk cruise missile, fired from destroyers and submarines, traveling over 1,500 kilometers with pinpoint accuracy, and the US can strike deep inside Iran without putting a single pilot at risk. The US has also deployed Lucas, a cheap one-way attack drone modeled on the Shahed itself, fighting fire with fire. Here's what this war is really telling us. Advanced technology does not guarantee victory if you can't afford to keep using it. Iran floods the sky with cheap weapons, America responds with expensive precision, and somewhere in the gap, in the economics of attrition, the real winner will be decided. The most dangerous weapon in the conflict might not be a stealth bomber or a hypersonic missile. It might be a $20,000 drone and an enemy with thousands more ready to launch.
Times of India videos, your daily dose of India and the world. Global news, different views, and sharp analysis.
Pressure of expectation from your fans, your supporters.
That has often served as a backdrop for several Bollywood.
You're not a brute majority anymore. If you individually take out Tera.
Making sense of global conflicts. Tracking the new emerging world order.
Strike on Israeli military bases.
A multi-pronged.
To stay out of harm's way as Israel started bombing targets across.
Understanding changing alliances in a polarized world. Tune into TOI videos for all this and more. Click on the bell icon to subscribe and never miss an update.